Within the first 28 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 22 exclusive and pre-qualified Stairlift installation leads at a cost per lead of $55.85 with a total ad spend of $1,228. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how we set up these ad campaigns and what a full lead generation funnel, marketing funnel should look like if you want to maximize the chances of converting most of your leads into booked appointments and ultimately sales. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the offer because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign, number one is going to be the offers, and number two is going to be the ad creatives. And this is what we have truly control over, because with the way these, especially Meta's algorithms are going, is they're going to do the heavy lifting in terms of showing the ads to the right people and all that. So what we have control over is just going to be the offer and the ad creatives. Now, for our offers, we like to use a price-first strategy. It means we're going to have some sort of a starting ad prices in the ads. It's either going to be your upfront prices, starting ad prices, or your financing prices. And the reason we like to do that is this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects, because a lot of people don't know what a stairlift installation is going to cost. It's not an everyday item where they know. So they might be thinking this is going to cost $1,000, $2,000, then they're going to fill out the form. Then, you're going to do your consultation and all that. Then they're going to figure out, oh, it's $8,000 or $5,000. So we want to have some sort of a starting ad prices, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads just by the ad creatives itself. So the next thing we want to do is going to be our offer stack. So with our offer stack, this is the ad copy that goes with the ad creatives itself. So once people see the ad creatives, that they're going to read your ad copy, which is you can go in detail on what the offer is. So now when we come up with the offers, we want to hit all the conversion triggers. So for stairlift installation is going to be speed, safety, proof, which is social proof, ease, urgency, and value. So we want to make sure we're hitting all of these conversion triggers. So for this clients, we're going with a try it for 30 days, love it or your money back. That's the bold guarantee. And if you're running ads, you want to be bold, you want to come up with something unique, because you're not the only company that's advertising this. People every day are seeing ads on their feeds. So you're not the only one. So it's important to be unique with your offer and come up with something that stands out from everybody else. So for this client, again, we have the guarantee here, 30 days or your money back, lifetime warranty, free in-home consultation, a 0% interest payment plan available, installed in just 1 to 2 days, rated 5 stars by 80% plus local customers. And next 7 homeowners get free 2 years of maintenance plus checkups, free remote and battery backup. So we always like to put some sort of bonuses to sweeten up the deal. Now, once we come up with the offers, then we're going to come up with the ad creatives. Now, your ad creatives could be images, carousels, videos. We test everything. So we're testing images here, 2 videos here, and we always like to be testing. Now, once we come up with the ads, with the ad creatives on the offer, we're going to run net ads to the offer, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram ads. So we're going to obviously be targeting hyper local. So wherever our client's target location is, we can target by city, zip code, radius, and all that. Now, once prospects see the ads, they're going to hit, tap on get quote, where we're going to take them through 8 to 10 pre-qualification questions to have the least pre-qualify themselves. So first question here, are you a homeowner? Next, how many stories is your home? 3, where are your stairs? What type of stairs do you have? How soon are you looking to install? And then full name, email, phone number, zip code. Next, where Meta is going to send them an SMS to their phone where they're going to get a code. They have to punch in the code here to make sure that they're phone verified, because we want to make sure these people are giving us their correct phone numbers and not spam. And once they submit that, the moment they submit, we have a call trigger feature, which is going to call your front desk. If they pick up, then it's going to call the lead and it's going to bridge the calls, which is going to ensure that you're calling the leads in less than 5 minutes. And that's very important. Half of the battle is generating the leads, which is honestly the easy part. Like, generating the leads is going to be the easy part. The hard part is like what you do after with the leads. And that's why it's important that most of the businesses today's running, they need to have a full lead generation funnel, because getting the leads is easy. It's what you do after with the leads that's important, you know? So the most important thing here is you want to be calling the leads in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you call the leads and they pick up, you can pre-qualify them further on the phone, set the appointment, show up, give the estimate, and close. If you get no response, then you're going to want to have these leads on an email marketing sequence campaign. You're going to want to follow up aggressively, especially within the first 7 days, SMS, voicemail drops, retargeting ads. And it's important that you have all this. The reason we have this email, everything on the back end, is you want to, show that you're an expert. You want to send them educational stuff so that when they're ready to pull the trigger, because a lot of these leads might be ready in a week. Most of them are not going to be ready in a week. So they might be ready in a month, 2 months, 3 months down the line. So you want to be, top of mind, just everywhere they go. You want them to be able to see you so that you just come off as the popular choice for, say, Stairlift installations. And for the leads here who just put an invalid phone number or just spam leads, they're not going to even come through unless they verify it themselves. And just going to quickly go over what a well-balanced email nurture sequence strategy should look like. So for your emails, you could be sending educational stuff, testimonials before and after, and value-driven offers. And here's what cadence should look like. So for the first 7 days, for the leads that are unresponsive, day 1, you could have a welcome email and SMS. Day 2, educational, could be email, voicemail. Day 3, you can send an email going over how much does a stairlift really cost. Day 4, testimonials. Day 5, you could go over safety and comfort features of your products. Day 6, how installation works, Day 7, create urgency and all that. And then you're going to put all the leads on a once per week email nurture sequence for up to whatever amount you want, 6 months, 3 months. And yeah, that's about it. Now, if you own a stairlift installation business or any home improvement company and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this is the right fit for you. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.